using triboelectricity and kinetic energy of low-frequency ocean surf waves to generate electric current. Ocean energy estimation in coastline. The total length of coastlines around the world is estimated at approximately kilometers, about miles. Annual production. The International Energy Agency estimates that wave energy can produce between and terawatt-hours of electricity per year. OES, coastline. The Institute for Electric Power Research estimates that wave energy alone along the OES coastline can generate about 2 per year. Triboelectricity, triboelectric pairs, triboelectric interaction. There are materials that are capable of giving and receiving charges when interacting with each other. Such materials are arranged in a triboelectric series. An example of a triboelectric series is shown in the figure. Among triboelectric materials, it is possible to distinguish separate pairs of materials that, when interacting with each other, exchange electric charges. There are two types of triboelectrical interaction: pressure separation and friction. In such interaction, electrons pass from the donor material to the acceptor material. Similarly, processes occur when one material is rubbed against another. A device consists of one or more groups of layers. One group of layers includes a conductive medium as the first layer, conductive textiles. A second layer is attached to it, which is a triboelectric pair material. The surface of this triboelectric material has an uneven surface, bumps, valleys. This material receives a maximum positive charge when it comes into contact with another triboelectric pair material. The third layer forms a material that receives a maximum negative charge when interacting with the material of the second layer. The third layer also attaches to another conductive medium, forming a fourth layer. The materials of the triboelectric pair are not connected to each other. All conductive medium are connected in one common electrocircuit. The figure shows an example of using the proposed device on sea embankments in ports, on the open coast, in places of the coastline of the sea or ocean, on breakwaters, inclined or vertical dams. In the device, the sections in the module can be arranged vertically one after the other. With the vertical arrangement of the sections, the mechanical effect upward on the section extends to all lower sections. The device is located in a waterproof case and has a frame. Vertical panels are installed at sea level and where the force of the sea wave is large enough. Several devices of sequentially installed devices are connected to each other by conductors. Due to periodic pressure, the materials forming a triboelectric pair interact. When the pressure of the sea wave increases, the triboelectric materials come into contact. When the pressure of the sea wave weakens, due to the elasticity of the hills, triboelectric materials are separated. This creates a potential difference between them. When these triboelectric materials are connected by a conductor through a conductive textile, an electric current will flow through the conductor. Using two panels, one is at an acute angle and the other is rotated on an axis, can approach to the first panel. The figure shows the stages of pressure, contact, separation as a result of the action of sea waves on a two-panel device. Let's imagine a boat bobbing on the waves. If there is water at the bottom of the boat, it will flow over the bottom of the boat, synchronously with the waves rocking the boat. The disc device oscillates on the waves. With multidirectional vibrations, under the influence of sea waves, the sliding medium inside the disc moves from one side of the device to the other, exerting pressure on different places on the inner surface of the device. As a result of the pressure on the triboelectric pairs, the contact separation type triboelectric pairs interact. There is an exchange of electric charges. As a result, there is a potential difference between the materials from the triboelectric pair and, as a result, between the conductive media adjacent to them. As a result, when the corresponding conductive media are connected by a conductor, an electric current appears. Several layers of pairs of triboelectric materials can be used. Then there will be a greater exchange of charges between the pairs. By combining pairs into a common circuit, it is possible to increase the exchange of electrons and thereby enhance the current circulating in the common circuit. A patent has been obtained in Germany for such devices for generating electrical energy using energy of ocean waves and triboelectric interaction. The German Patent Office conducted an examination for novelty and potential for commercial production and issued certificate. A detailed description can be found on the website of the German Patent Office. Thanks for your attention.